How's it going, guys? Today we're going to be taking a closer look at the 2025 Durango 290 RLT. So we're going to start with your basement area first. You can tell that you do have plenty of room underneath here, which is really nice to have. If I take a step back, you can check out the massive awning on this fifth wheel. If you look down at the tires, you have dual axle, of course. Then as far as your outdoor kitchen area goes, you have a pull-out griddle, nice little leash latch right there next to that solid steps that they provide. So if you like to bring your furry friends camping, that'll be perfect for you guys. But if we make our way in the inside of this fifth wheel, we're gonna run straight into the kitchen area. So you have a single basin sink, storage above, storage below. The one thing that I really like about this fifth wheel is that each room is kind of separated to where it has its own space. So you have kitchen and dining room here. You have a half booth, half dinette. You have a 3-burner cooktop, microwave up above. You have an oversized 12-volt refrigerator with a pantry right next to it. And then we're going to step into the living room area. So like I said, a little bit separated than what a normal travel trailer would look like. You have opposing slides in here, so it really opens the space up. The 2 couches on the slide outs, they do turn into beds. And then on that back wall, you have your smart TV, soundbar, fireplace, which is directly across from your theater seating. Now, if we make our way towards the middle of this fifth wheel, going up these stairs to the left, you're going to find your bathroom. You're going to have your sink, your medicine cabinet, plenty of storage. You have your shower with your skylight, and then your porcelain toilet down below. If we keep moving forward, you're going to find your main bedroom. This is a queen size bed. You have some nice space utilization right there, and then a slide out in this bedroom as well to provide more of that wardrobe space. Directly across from your bed, you're going to find washer and dryer prep in that boy, and you have TV backer. All right, guys, this is going to be your 2025 Durango 290 RLT. Thank you so much. Have a great day. It has its own space. So you have kitchen and dining room here. You have a half booth, half dinette. You have a 3-burner cooktop, microwave up above. You have an oversized 12